going for. And this is what we're starting with. So have you seen these? Have you seen these at the store, and then after Valentine's Day you're like, what am I going to do with that? These make really good forms for what we're going to do. What I did is I bought that last year after Valentine's Day. Push this all out of the way. And then I saved it for this year to share it with you. So what you're going to do first is to make all these cute little ribbon bows. And those of you that follow me know that I'm doing 2 recordings at one time. So I'm going to go like this and like this. And then I'll edit and then I'll upload the shorter version to YouTube. So anyway, so we're going to make all these little fun ribbons. Even show you how to do a couple little bows. Bows are so much fun. Here's another fun bow. So without any further ado, we're just going to get started here. So what you're going to start with, some pipe cleaners. See how I put that on there and I just let it go fun and crazy? How it's coming along. So another bow here. We're going to pop this on. So you're just going to twist them to the form. See how it's coming along? And like I said, on the top piece, use the smaller pieces on the top so you don't lose your V. You want your V to show. And on here too, you can take, so it's coming along. So even though you have all these different shapes and sizes of ribbon and bows and colors, because I use the red and the pink, the Valentine colors, it's all coming together. So there you go. But let me get this in here for you. I thought about making this up ahead of time, and I did like I said, I did the ribbons up ahead of time, and then I figured I'd show you the technique. Let's throw some of this pink in here, because I don't want you to be on all day. I want you to get out there and do it. See how it's coming together? Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to go over here and get this one down here. This long one, I'm going to put on the bottom here, like this, because I want a tail on it. So that goes right on the point. So I would make a tail. To point out that V a little bit more. We want to add a little bit more to that to give it a bow on it. Put that on. I'm so into it. I'm like, hello out there, I forgot. Okay. So I put that bow on there. See how it brings it together? How it's coming together. So the thing that's going to take the most time on this is just making up these little bows. But you could just kick back and watch TV and make them. you have a craft room and you want to do it that way, that's fine too. Whatever you want to do, whatever works for you, right? I've done enough of these shares that I knew if I had it made up ahead of time for you, it would just make it easier for you to follow along. So just fill up your heart with all these cute little ribbons and bows, that red underneath it. This fills in all the gaps and stuff. So you're not going to have to wrap your form like you normally would, because it's already wrapped for you. And see how it's just shining through the little bling bling? And we've taken this plain, simple red form and we've made it all cute and blingy and pretty. If you wanted to, you could add some little flowers in there, some little rosebuds. Those would be cute. I'm going to turn this so I can see it now. So a lot of people don't realize when I'm doing these shares, I'm making them upside down. I have to kind of turn it around every once in a while, just to get a little visual of what I'm doing. That little bling bling in, just to get it that whimsical. Another thing you can do too is if you have some cute little dangles to go in the middle here, or even down here, you can just accentuate it and make it your own. That's the fun thing, is making it your own. style. But that's what you can do with these funny little red farms. Pick them up after Valentine's Day. You'll have them next year. 90% off. Yeah. And that's what I do with all my ribbons. All this little Valentine ribbon. 80 and 90% off after Valentine's Day at Michael's.